So today it's around I guess 4 o'clock. It's a late vlog, but so today actually we are going to Kantirava Stadium, which is a very big stadium in Karnataka. There's all the sports there. Yeah, so my brother actually got selected for state camp, and yeah, so it's, I think tomorrow they'll announce the final list. It's been going on for about 1 month, yeah, more than a month. So yeah, so before going to Kantirava Stadium, we'll be going to KR Puram for some personal thing of my dad. So yeah, I'll keep updating you guys. So yeah, I'll show you the journey. So we started from our house. Papa, say hi. Hi. And my mother is behind, sitting. Yeah, so that's it for now. So we are going to KR Puram now. So then from there we'll go to Kantirava. Okay, so we finally reached KR Puram. So yeah. So next stop is Kantirava Stadium. Wars may start and end, water may dry out from the whole world, but the only thing which is permanent is Bangalore's traffic. Look at the view, guys. This is Bangalore's speciality. So we finished eating in Cafe Divyam. We filled our stomach. So it's actually it's very spicy. We ate bhaji, chili bhaji. It's very spicy. I actually need water. So we are almost close to Kantirava Stadium. So yeah, I'll show you around Kantirava Stadium after I reach there. So we have finally reached Kantirava Stadium. So that's the indoor basketball court, and this is the outdoor. This is also basically indoor, but yeah, you guys can understand. So yeah, so I'll show you around Kantirava Stadium in a minute because we have to park the car. So this is basically the place where they do mountaineering, if I pronounce it right, I guess. Yeah, so, and that's the restaurant there, which is called Konark. Yeah, there's another Nandini there, and this is the place where there's a football stadium and a athletics ground inside. Yeah, so there's more places. I'll show you guys, yeah, in a minute. So this is basically the place where they play throw ball, and they practice here on the steps, and there's a net here. I don't know, no, there's no net here now, but there's usually a net. Yeah, and this is another entry to the football court and the athletics, like yeah, and yeah, the running race track, basically, in simple words. And this is the place where they do kabaddi and they practice kabaddi, and there's another kabaddi place where they train, I guess. Yeah, so there's more places. I'll show you. I'll keep updating you guys. This is a very big stadium, guys. I don't think if you people can see it properly, but this is the place where they do archery and they do boxing. Yeah, if you people can see it, you can see the small dots there, right? That's basically for archery. Yeah, and there's a tennis court coming up there, so I'll show you guys that too. I'll keep you guys posted. I don't think if you people can see it, but there's a tennis court inside that. Yeah, they have keep net here so that it doesn't escape. Yeah, and yeah, this is the other kabaddi court that I was talking. 1 minute. Yeah, and this is the empty place there. 1 minute, guys. So this is basically the athletics where they play. As I told you guys, there is football court here too. There's an indoor football court. I know, not indoor and outdoor. So that's the place where our CM of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, took oath. Yeah, guys, you see the door there, right, guys? So that's basically another facility for kabaddi where they train and all that, and they play practice, I guess, in the other court. Yeah, and that's the basketball court ahead. I don't know if I can show you people that, because as I told, my brother's in under 18 and I don't want to make him too conscious. When I go there, he'll be seeing me and he won't play good. And there's the state camp also going on. So yeah, that's it for today, guys, I guess. Yeah, so I gave you a tour around Kantirava Stadium. So yeah, so like, share and subscribe, guys.